Hey family, today I want to share just a little snippet of what my hair is looking like and how the growth is going. I'm going to do a more in-depth update when I get to exact 6-month mark, okay? So let's get to it. So right now I'm literally at 5 months and 2 weeks, okay? So right here, this is my right side and this is what it's looking like. This was my absolute worst side over here, so it's doing really well. And then I'm gonna pan around. So this is the front of my hair, and we all know what it looked like, anybody who's already seen the previous videos. And then this is the left side. This side was bad, but it was not as bad as the right side, so that's why you're seeing much more hair on this side than the right side. But this is what it's looking like, and I just wanted to show a quick snippet. So this is the right side again, just for comparison, in case you want to see the right side, left side. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly share that, and like I said, I'll be doing a more in-depth update, you know, showing my front hairline, the donor area, how that hair back there is growing, the scar suture line and all that. I'll be sharing that in my 6-month update video. And I know somebody might be thinking like, well, exactly 6 months and you already at 5 months and 2 weeks, how much more you gonna get? But I'm telling y'all, the growth that I've seen, like even from my last update video I done to now, like it seemed like I get like chia pet every week, like chia pet, you know how the chia pet things grow like you water and the hair grow. So it's like more and more hair comes by the day, I want to say, you know. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested so you don't miss any of that. And like I said, I just wanted to share a quick snippet of what it's looking like so far. And like I said, from 1 week to the next, it's kind of like chia pet. You water it and then boom, there's some more hair. So I'll be sharing more in my 6-month update, but I just really wanted to share that little snippet really quick. And if you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed me sharing this, you know, my hair transplant and the updates and things like that, give your girl a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you would like to see, and I'll do my best to get that with you. So you all have an awesome and blessed day, night, wherever you are in the world, as I said, and I'll talk to you all later. God bless you.